Hi there. Welcome to another episode on how to look after your Royal Enfield Interceptor or Continental GT. Your motorcycle slides are critical for a safe ride. Here's how to keep them working well. Use a Phillips screwdriver to loosen the screw on the rim and remove the headlamp dome. Disconnect the headlamp socket. Push and remove the bulb holding clamp. Using a paper or dry clean cloth, remove the bulb. Position the new bulb with the 3 projections on the bulb aligned with the slot on the reflector. Refix the bulb holding clamp. Reconnect the headlamp socket. Put the headlamp dome on the headlamp shell and screw it back on. Check if the headlamp is working. Open the right-hand panel. Pull the seat lock cable to remove the seat. Remove the tail light glass by unscrewing its mounting screws. Hold the bulb, press inside and rotate anti-clockwise to remove the bulb from its holder. Replace with a new bulb. Replace the bulb and screw the tail light glass back on. Check if the tail lamp is working. Remove the screw from the back of the Trafficator housing. Open the indicator housing. Remove and replace the bulb. Refit the holder, fitting its lock properly. Fix the rubber gasket cover and reassemble the indicator housing cover. Check if the Trafficator is working. If any of the bulbs are still not working after the replacement, then take your motorcycle to a service center immediately. And that's it. You have just taken a step towards keeping your Royal Enfield twin in good shape.